Hi everyone, welcome to my day trading recap video. Now I do a day trading recap every single day. I do not just handpick my winning day and post it up here. So if you like the full transparency of every single trade that I place and want to follow my journey, make sure you click the subscribe button and see you in the trade. So up 1,300 today. I was up more. Okay, so today I stopped trading after 12 o'clock, right? Because my power shut off. So I was like, okay, probably a good time for me to take a break anyway. Today's super slow and every single thing like that, which I did. And I call my wife up and we go out for a mini date, having lunch. And I was like, okay, 1,700 for a day like this is not too bad, especially with the momentum. And I was focusing on longing, and it was super hard today for a long. If you do not know how to trade properly, you probably lose money. But the thing is, so I was like, I should have focused in short today, okay, so after that, right? Let's go for the trade. Okay, so right now is 1,050 bucks on the long side and only 250 on the short side. So what the thing is, okay, I should have just go over the trade and walk you right through it. Okay, so turn on privacy, drag my account down, real account. All right. Okay, in the morning, the ticker that bothered the most is CBAT. Like yesterday, remember I tried to short this damn ticker and I lost 900 bucks on the short side and lose because I got the Ray damn theory, but I started in the size way too early and I got blew out. And I cover right at the top and just tank. And I lost 50 bucks on the short alongside, and yeah. So this morning I got the same theory. Look at this, right? Yesterday it go down, touch VWAP, pass it a little bit, and bounce. So I got the same idea. Go down, touch VWAP. Down here, I expect to bounce. Like, shit, it's not bouncing. And also, I read somebody from a chat room. I mean, one of the respectable traders. So I respect him. So I was like, okay, maybe I should think about his advice. So I like, shit. So I FOMO my way out, and I sell basically every single thing at the close to bottom, except for like 462 share. I able to get a little bit back, but it's like, oh freak, I sell right at the bottom. Man, I should have just focused in on my own plan, and it go exactly like how the yesterday was, go back up. But the thing is, I do not have those kind of patience, and I got scared after that, after they mentioned that. So, and this ticker is like, okay, when I get negative too much on a ticker, right, I did not have good feeling with it, and I stopped trading it because I don't want to have emotional attached to it and prevent trading it and every single thing like that. So I was like, okay, take your eyes off of it. And I see Ross trading it right here, and he tried to pump and it not even go up that much. So I was like, okay, this ticker is really, really heavy. Let's not try to focus buying dip on it at the open. I mean, I could have made a little bit money right here, but this right here would kill me, literally. I know I'm a great dip buyer, but I probably get anxious, right, and not be patient enough, and probably get somewhere around here, and probably cost me $1,000 loss. If I keep buy, sell, and be stubborn, I could lose $1,000. So, and it wastes, not only that, it wastes my time on trading other ticker. So I'm glad that it at least on pre-market, so I can focus in other ticker. So I start out the day red and able to make it back with other ticker, right? So let's go over some other ticker in the morning. So SPI, oh god, I called this one perfectly. I make every single money on every single day on it so far. Including today, I only make 481, but I called this one right here, buy right here. I was about to buy it and hold it for a little bit because this ticker right here predict just like how KODK before, when it have that crazy run. And okay, I pay attention to it, right? It behaved the 2 day perfectly the same. Even the day yesterday, it behaved just like KODK yesterday, right? KODK yesterday. But the thing is, the washout is a lot more than KODK. And it even have a gap down on the next day KODK. So my plan was, I even messaged my friend. Like, look at my plan, okay? I messaged my friend. No, because I moved today. I say CBAT and Joe say, I'm watching SPI today for bounce too. You think SPI will be bounce? This is at 9 a.m., okay? 9 a.m. before the market, but you think SPI will bounce back up No, not much. I would try to say not much. It will dip at the open. I'm looking to buy if it flush out. It did flush out, but then I thought it's like, okay, I looked at the volume. It was not a great volume, so I got a little bit chicken out. So I did not have time to open back up what is it called, KODK, to check out the volume on the third day. So I was a little bit hesitated. I was about to buy 500 and average my way down a little bit for a big bounce, but it did not. Okay, I did not. Okay, at least I did not expect this kind of big bounce. At least back right here, this is where I would sell. But the thing is, man, I predicted, but at least I able to buy the dips on it, and I tried to buy as much dip as I could, and my power out around 12, but the right here is already had no volume. I tried to buy this dip right here, but it's way too fast, and yeah, no volume after that. KODK, so SPI is very nice to trade, pretty much predictable, especially it's much more predictable when the stock is under SR. Is much harder for a person to manipulate a stock under SSR. They cannot sell into the weakness, so it's much easier to predict an SSR stock. SSR mean short seller restriction. Short seller restriction mean that you cannot short sell on the bid, right? You cannot hit the bid. Like you try to sell on the bid, you have to short sell on the ask. Okay, so for anyone who wonder what the heck I'm talking about, so that's what it means. So you cannot manipulate it by putting pressure, keep selling on the bid, causing the big flush down like that. So much easier to predict. So yeah, what is it called? Unless people got FOMO out their way out, only person who has share can sell on the bid. And what else? And after that, another one, that TATT. It did great right here. I missed all this two dip right here, but I able to take advantage of it. The only thing I lost is right here around like 200 bucks. Big flush down, right? 200 bucks. I don't know if I can even see the damn thing because all the trade order. Okay, so let me turn off the trade in this chart so at least I can see what it looked like. Okay, so yeah, able to make money right here. I bet you some of you guys probably lost money right here. I did too, but not much because I'm able to manage risk. Actually, I even get stuck in a halt right here. I make money around here, dip, wick back up a little bit, then it flushed down. I got stuck in 500 share. Then I buy a little bit more and buy a little bit more, and able to add in a little bit because I have a small size share. But I should not even hold that 500 share. I did not expect this flush, to be honest. But the thing is, after this kind of move, right? Okay, let's go over another ticker. So I make $469 on it today. I trade it until 12 o'clock, power outage, so basically go away afterward. Another ticker, SGBX. If you focus in shorting today, anything you short, you would make money. Literally, anything you short, you would make money. I should have focused in short. I changed it to shorting later, but I did good, but I did not do. Since I'm not a professional at shorting yet, I was not able to make good money. So yeah, as you guys can see, just buy on the downtrend. The right here looks so manipulative somehow. So I was avoiding this right here. It just looked weird for me. This ticker looked really weird for me. So it's like when a candle finish fold like this, it looks super weird. Finish fold like this looks super weird for me. So I was like, oh, maybe I should stay away from it, which I did until really a big dip happened and able to make some money off of it. Only another 430 something bucks. And after that, again, is no volume. So really bad market this morning, especially for the long side. So long probably got comfortable last 2 days. That see crazy momentum. Probably that's why they get killed today, especially for the long. Another one is anything worth mention. So basically a 3-minute Eton. I only make one trade in the morning, 800 share right here. Just buy right here, buy right here, buy right here, get in a little bit, expect a quick bounce, and then bounce back up and sell it for the quick 200 bucks gain. Just a very low volume minor pullback play, quick pullback play. I borrowed share to short too, but I was too chicken, didn't start shorting yet. So anything today, if you short, you make money, like I say, right? So after that, after every single day thing, I was like, shit, today is the shorting day. So here's the thing, right? If we have bunch of tickers start tanking, and just a few ticker run, everything just tank afterward. Same thing with SBI, PI, right? Remember SPI running so crazy, causing so many ticker afterward running, like SUNW, another Polar, and a few other ticker that run just because of SPI run. So it's sympathy play. So after that, it's like, okay, every single thing seemed like a tank today. So I'm just gonna short every single thing, probably APWC. Oh man, this one, oh god damn it. So APWC yesterday, it run like that. I lost $1,000 on it. So it's like, today I'm gonna short you because you can behave exactly like yesterday. Look, and it did behave exactly yesterday. But the only thing is I did not hold it long enough, even though I got the right thesis. Like I always say, maybe I should just hold at least something, at least some partial share or something, but my chicken ass never did. Look at that. So I shorted, cover a little bit. It have more momentum, add. I'm looking for bigger move, okay? And I did. But the thing is, at VWAP, I cover all. It's like, oh man, I should have hold at least 700 share or something. And it tanked just like yesterday. So in another ticker, same thing. Every single thing behave like this. So like I say, it's kind of all sympathy kind of thing. So crack too. Crack. Oh, it looks so alike. I didn't even notice I'm in the new ticker. Exactly same thing. Short all the thing. The only bad thing about crack is I did not have more share to add near the top. It's like, oh man, I already burned out. But the thing is, flush all the way down, and I did not have enough. Man, I should have just hold very small size share for the whole ride. Oh god, especially the momentum down like today. Same thing with HAAP. Look at that. Very sad, man. Very, very sad. Anything else? The only after that, right? I got back at 330. I got back at 330, and like I told you guys, do never short at 330. I got the rate thesis, right? It's the same thing. Every single thing just tank, but the thing is the time, man. The time. After I get to 330, I say, oh, I have power again. I have power again. Let's see what. The only thing is I'm mad at myself, did not catch the dip, so I become a short. So it's a simply play with UONK, right? I missed this dip of UONK right here. No, U1. I missed this dip back to after halt, back to VWAP. I missed it. Like, oh my god. And I got hesitate. I missed it, and I started shorting it. I see it halt right here, and I started short into the weakness. This is the first time I short into the weakness because I see the downward momentum. Everyone freak out, and I cover all my share right here. Actually, I hold on down to like 500 shares. Like maybe this time I will be more patient and hold on to 500 share. So I add it right here. I hold on the core, and you guys know what happened when I hold on a little bit of share. Then when it bounced back up, I did not. But here is fine, right? Here is fine. Here's the whole picture. Is the whole picture already. But the only thing is the time. It's no, it's not 7 o'clock. It's what is it called? It was closing time, and closing time I have to cover. I hate to hold it right here. It could easily squeeze back up. It did squeeze back up, but then oh man, it's just the fact that oh man, if this happened in midday, I would hold a lot longer. I would short more up here, but it's just because it's a darn time. Next time, pay attention to the time. Same thing with this one. So at the end, I give back close to $500, right? $400. Otherwise, I trade perfectly today. Beside the last two trade, the last two trade I did good. Look at this. I shorted. I was not fast enough to cover right here. Actually, I was able to cover right here. But the thing is like, okay, you won. I'm already losing on BFYC. I'm gonna hold on to this one a little bit. And like, oh crap, closing bell, start squeezing. So I exit at the worst time. Oh man. So yeah, I exit at the worst time too, man. Oh jeez. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with the way I traded. Don't get me wrong, cover here is good, okay? It could easily squeeze back up right here because the liquid of it is very thin. I should not trade it after market at all. It's just the fact that I forgot to pay attention to the time. That's the main thing. So yeah, that was my bad for not paying attention to the time. Actually, I did know what the time is, but I was being stubborn and not listened to my rule. But that was it for today. Up 1.3K. I'm happy with the way. That's the thing about with trading. After this trade, I keep like, oh my god, oh man, emotion. Oh god, I don't want to. But after this, me and my family go to like the beach park, and just go there. But on the way there, like after I had to look away from the computer, I just feel pain. It's like, oh man, feel so much pain. Like, oh god, why did I do that? You know, it's so stupid and all like that. Start blaming yourself and every single thing. And you, even though you kind of like don't look at it and don't look at it anymore, but then it's just so hard, you know. But I'm getting better. I take my eyes off away from it and just, oh, what the heck is this? Damn. But I take my eyes off away from it and just let it play and close the tray and able to ease off after I get there. So it was good. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend, and I am gonna come out with some video, some lesson or something like that, and have a great weekend. Okay, stay safe.